Welcome to the 7th part of Laravel development environment setup. In this video we will create a GitHub account and a repository for our Laravel project. GitHub is an American multinational corporation that provides hosting for software development and version control using Git. It offers the distributed version control and source code management functionality of Git, plus its own features. In order to use GitHub, you need to create a GitHub account. GitHub will not only be important in application development, but also in your job application. During job application, you will include your GitHub link in your CVs, and your profile will serve as your work experience to your future employees. In addition, it will allow efficient teamwork in application development from anywhere in the world. I want to take this opportunity to ask you to subscribe to Software Gears if you haven't subscribed by now. Subscribe so that you can get more from Software Gears. Thank you very much. Let us create a GitHub account. So I will first of all sign out of my GitHub account. This will give me a sign up page. As you can see, you are required to enter your username, your email address and a password. To get into this page, just open a new tab and type sign up GitHub. Then click the first link, join GitHub, and this will give you a sign up page. As you can see here, you need to enter your username, your email address and then a password. For example, I will enter Johnny Prodev as my username, then I will enter my email address, then I will enter my password. Then I will click create an account. So GitHub will try to verify whether you are a human being. Just click verify to take a challenge. You must succeed in this challenge, then click join a free plan. There we go, we have our account ready. So GitHub will try to know your intentions in this GitHub account by asking you some few questions. Just select appropriate choices. For example, I'm a software engineer, I write code. The amount of experience that you have, I have a lot experience, so I'll select a lot experience. Then what do you plan to use GitHub for? Of course, you have many reasons to use GitHub. Host your project, collaborating with my team, find and contribute open source. Those are some of the major reasons somebody might want to use GitHub. Then I will enter the languages and the frameworks that I'm interested in. For example, I'm interested in PHP language, so I will enter PHP. I'm also interested in Java language, so I will enter Java. I'm also interested in Python language, and also I'm interested in a framework called SAC. This is a Google quantum programming framework. And most importantly, I'm interested in Laravel framework. So once you're done, just click complete setup, and this will set up an account for you. So the next thing you want to do is to verify your GitHub account. As you can see, GitHub has sent an email into your email address so that you can verify your account. Just sign in into your account and verify your GitHub account. So I will sign in to my Gmail account. Then you can see there is an email from GitHub. I will click verify, and this will take me back to my GitHub account. So the first thing you want to do is to set up your profile. Just click the down arrow next to your profile picture and then click your profile. So here you will enter your details in your profile, enter your name and then a bio. Your bio is very important as it will tell future employees and your future collaborators what you do and who you are. So for this purpose, I will for this tutorial I will just enter I'm a technology enthusiast. Then you will enter your URL if you have it, then your Twitter username if you have it, and even your company name if you have it, if you have a company. Then you will enter your location. Then include private contributions on my profile. Yes, that's very important. Then if you are available for hire, check available for hire. You can enter, you can select your the language that you prefer to use. Once you're done, click update profile. You can change your profile picture by clicking edit, and then you can upload your profile picture. Just click update profile and this will update your details. The next thing we want to do is to create a repository for a Laravel project. As you can see, you don't have any repository. We will create one right now. Just click new. In here you will enter your repository information. First of all, you will enter a username for your repository. Then GitHub will check to see whether that username is available for usage. Then you will enter a description for your repository. Just enter an appropriate description of your repository. For this tutorial, I will just enter Laravel development setup. Then you will have to select whether you want your repository to be public or private. A public repository, anybody can see it on the internet, while the private one, you will have to choose who can see that repository. Then I will select add a readme file, and also I will select add a git ignore. And what type of git ignore do you want? What kind of template will you want to use? In our case, we will select Laravel. So I'll search Laravel. So git ignore are the files that are going to be ignored during project push. Then I will select a license for my project, and then I'm going to create I'm going to click create a repository, and this will create a repository for a Laravel project. So see you in the next part, where I'll be installing GitHub Desktop that we'll use to manage our GitHub account. Thank you very much. See you in the next part.